Students, so let's start today's session. In the last video, we discussed features of HTML, basic structure of HTML, and about HTML editors. And today we will learn more about HTML. So let's see. First, the basic structure of HTML. This we have already discussed. Let's revise. An HTML document contains two sections. Which two sections? Head section and body section. And what is the basic structure? First tag will always be HTML, then head tag. Within the head tag, we give the title tag, then body tag starts. After the content, body tag close, and then at the last, HTML close. And HTML is not case sensitive. You can write in lowercase or in uppercase. Fine. HTML tags. Now today we will learn what are tags. Tags are the commands which instruct the web browser to display the content in specific manner. See, web browser understands only language of tags. So whatever instruction we want to give to the web browser, we will give in form of tags, HTML tags. So what are tags? Tags are the commands for the web browser to display the content in specific manner. Tags are marked by angle bracket. How do you represent tag? You represent tag within angle brackets. These are called angle brackets. And this is the syntax of tag. This is angle bracket, tag name, and the angle bracket close. And one more thing, there should not be space between angle bracket and tag name. Fine, there should not be space, otherwise it will not work. Fine, this is the syntax. It is showing one space, but when you write the coding in HTML page, there should not be space between angle bracket and tag name. Fine. Now, every HTML document begins with HTML and ends with HTML, closing HTML. This is the starting tag of HTML and this is the closing tag of HTML. This should be the first tag always, and this should be the last tag. I hope it is clear what is tag. Tags are the commands which instruct the web browser to display something in a specific manner. Fine. Next. Now, how many types of tags are there? There are two types of tag. One is container tag and the second is empty tag. So we will study about both. First, we'll start with container tag. Container tags. Tags which require opening and closing commands are called container tags. Means in container tags, we have the opening tag as well as closing tag. These tags are used in pairs. As we have just said, container tag has opening tag as well as closing tag. So it means tags are used in pairs, that is starting and ending tags, or also called on and off tag. For example, HTML, this is the starting tag, or we can say on tag, and this is the ending tag or end tag, or we call it off tag. So HTML is the container tag. Why container tag? Because it has starting tag as well as closing tag. That's why we call it container tag. Fine. Now the empty tags. What are empty tags? Tags which do not require a closing tag is called empty tag. An empty tag has only an on tag. Container tag has both tag, on tag as well as off tag, but empty tag has only on tag, no off tag. Fine. For example, this is HTML HTML is your container tag because it has starting tag as well as closing tag. But the example of empty tag is BR. BR is used to give line break, and BR has only on tag, no closing tag. You can see there is no closing tag. So how many BR tags we have used? 2 BR tags we have used for 2 breaking lines. Fine. BR works as your enter works in MS Word. To break the line, we use BR. Fine. From here, the cursor will move to the next line by using the BR tag as we use in MS Word by enter key. I hope it is clear. So BR is your empty tag. It has only on tag or starting tag, and HTML is container tag. Head tag. Now, what is the use of head tag? Head tag is used to give title to the document. Fine. To give title to the document, head tag is used. Head tag includes another tag called title tag. A title tag is also called a container tag. Now, how do you use head tag? See, first we write the head. Then inside the head we give another container tag, that is title. This is the starting tag of title and this is the closing tag of title. Now what is the use of head tag? Through head tag what we are giving? We are giving title to the web page. What is the title to the web page? Information studies. And this information studies will not be visible on web page. Then where will it go? It will be visible on title bar. Fine. So whatever content you write within title tag, that will not be visible on web page, but that will be visible on title bar. And to give the title, we use the head tag. Fine. This title tag should be enclosed within head tag. So the fourth point, content written within title tags does not visible on web page, but it is visible on title bar. And where is the title bar? Topmost bar, blue bar, that is your title bar. I hope it is clear. Now after the head tag, we will discuss the body tag. As we discussed in basic structure, there are two sections, head section and body section. So head section we have just discussed. Now we are going to discuss the body section, or we can say the body tag. Now the body tag contains the main text which appears on the web page. So just now we discussed in head tag, whatever we write, that will not be visible on web page. That will be visible on title bar. Then what will be visible on web page? Whatever content, whatever text you write within body tag, that will be visible on web page. The body tag starts just below the closing tag of head tag and indicates the beginning of the HTML text. Closing tag of body indicates the end of the text. For example, after the head tag, we start the body tag and then we write the content. Whatever content you want to display on the web page, you write within body tag. Fine. Then we close the body tag. Fine. So this is the body section where you give the main text or actual text which we want to appear on the web page. Now, how to create a simple web page? Now, what are the steps to create a web page? First is open the notepad. Fine. In every system there is a notepad. In accessories you will get the notepad. And no any other software is needed to install on your system to work on HTML. Only notepad is required and web browser, which already present in your computers. Fine. So you can try if you have computer. In the next video I'll show you the practical also. After that you can try out. Okay. Now see what are the steps to create a web page. First is open the notepad, then write HTML code on notepad. How to write? You can write in small case as well as in uppercase. First tag will always be HTML. Then after HTML, we give the head section. This is the starting tag of head. Then what is the use of head tag? To give the title. So within the head tag, which tag we will use? Title tag. Fine. And title start. This is our title. Any title you can give. I have given my first web page. Then title close. So title, which type of tag it is? Title container tag, because it has starting tag as well as closing tag. Then we will close the head tag. Fine. So this head section is complete. Now the body section. In body section, what we give? The text which we want to display on the web page. Suppose this is the text. Whatever text you want to display on the web page, you will type that. Then body close. This is the closing tag of body. This is the closing tag of HTML. Fine. So by this you have designed a simple web page by using which editor? Notepad editor. Fine. Now the next step after typing, what will be your next step? We will save the document and we will save the file with any name. You can give any file name, but extension is needed. Extension is mandatory. Fine. Suppose you are saving this file with any name like first. So if your file name is first, but the extension is mandatory, so you will write first.html. By this name you will save your file. If you just write first, then this file will be converted into text file. So by default, whatever you write on notepad, that will be saved as a text file. But to make it HTML, you need to give the extension .html. Fine. Then after saving the file with extension .html, how will you see the result? To see the result, you will open the web browser and you will open this saved file there. Fine. Or simply double click on the saved file. Then your file will be opened on web browser and you can see the result. I'll show you practical in the next video. Fine. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe the channel to get the latest videos at first. Thank you so much, class.